for a higher juicy news. Mima Obibia Aquaba, latest hot and one Aremeyaw bro. Now, Sana is summoning in a bebaro. So we now subscribe, ya, but more than I say, over subscribe. Now, while I give video, don't give us a thumbs up, not fee. Share now, or for now, when you be here now, and someone echoes, ewo Ghana memohano. I feel you share a year and someone abeto yeponoso. Inti a year, some come a year, Sansamoya, Babitu, Moma Inti, their echoes, Inti Zemono.
Rapo Yandoh, Marche.
Na
Honamuya Boko there.
Oh, what be sunny here, pa. Honamu dear, Yamia enough from dear. Na the NDC for any job Mahama Bayana Aka.
Mr. Noama Nesoka.
They say Honamu dear, Unyame, I enough from dear. Okay. Now so. I sit to how near Bebresa and Nemo Ghana Hano, Aluta Esson. Me am it here and Yamia Bommy, I was saying, did me and son, and never give up. What I say, and Yeman go ye Aluta, me show him straight to my catcher. Nipa no Ghana,
and Yeman go ye or Ghana. Asambena Capo. Asambena make.
Why would you dance you? Aluta,
and Yeman go ye or Ghana.
What did me and sign there? What me did me and sign?
Really?
What did me and sign there? Medium intimidated, it may complain. And Koye,
Adian and Koye, catch him.
Adrian Sam, Bibia Cosro. What we know, Nessie, saying dollar coffin, it should translate into the reduction of prices of goods and services. Who comes iron rods yatiso? Nani Paninias called or debate the dear not their quarter iron rods. It's a Guhan Seb a beba form. Iron rods, check the normal food where you said, dear hen yatiso, they say. And the Procontra cry 5 cities Akufo Addo time. Procontra Danny call 15 cities, they say. Although I see now 12 Danny and Segu at Siamau, and then you talk.
Fine, and now to Procontra 5 cities as is echo 15 cities.
Oh, stadium. Mean Chemechi, a man see center line, who ras here, who come on. And she ran.
No, I'm saying 15.
And now Procontra year 15. Salmon, now you're 10 cities, I got 20. Or dry
different market.
Different market. The Obia economical.
Really?
The Obia economical.
What is and Rose and I know say Gucha for so much almost more money. Did you hear? So did you hear that?
Oh, media maintain. But near my meto, Bibia may be a Monday, and I say or China no better so they are fine. But the normal Adriania Tonya, Bibia Peja.
Oh, Shas, your castle, oh, him street in our country. Street, just give me one economic indicator more time, they better saying the year was.
Oh, baby, met me cry, say, we even had single digit inflation and normally born as you met much, and I will use some journey work having to be had single digit inflation or my mother. I know Abba, a beer, almost say Abba, as also be BNOS what? Dollar.
What in policy rates is it?
Policy rates? I say it's around say 23 or so.
No.
I say
no, check and tell me. I want you to tell me.
Oh, nothing.
Let me look at inflation, look at policy rates.
Help me in that conversation because right now, no, I don't believe in figures.
Really?
Because figures. Oh, do you believe in the figures?
Yes, because that is what we've been staying with. I can't choose some picks. Error was what I believe in figures.
They say I'm a catcher. Dollar drew 9 cities, I drew 10 cities. It does not translate to, and no man can say.
Okay, it does not translate
to reduction of prices of goods and services. Abana near ma. Onwa ton bi ni ade no me pa cho wadaroma dollar so tie yateso because we were made to understand say electricity prices, water prices, dollar component ka ho and the man cost remebo. So if aban no e ka che say yate dollar so I don't think ya ka che say January yes say beto electricity mu 10% na ya to water mu 16% adentia who hemenim Jimmy Sway. So if you let me sit here now be some policy rate, 100 rate, now make a can fair the over to now it does not translate. There were tongue petrol, go like yeah, by the neighbor didn't say star oil. How? Ediabentia, petrol we have been made to understand say you are picking now from one source near their baby. I don't think buy no idea you go no. Need their board dancing start oil. Why?
Unim say over the years petrol I turn on omoma ranger you don't sell below and you don't sell above. Can you tell me, go prices and to go above the range? No,
it's not above.
No, but above the range, you can have that conversation. But if it is within the range, you can blame them.
And can them all confident. Say, I buy no dear no, your tier salaries need to be animal or mono dear. At least it should calm down. Because a Juma offer cost of production in Libya, it should translate to a near might be a back off my mouth. And I answer. Say around this one factory at Dubai, the government was cushioning some of the kind of cost. So the output now you expecting to say a bema goods now you produce na akofom. Okay. Now where they are son of saying airborne will be BMukra, need the airborne dancing private sector now or no have the cost to you now.
No, so mumo then. What's this about umumo so ana afa? And now refer to.
Oh, there be na me can't chema won to me there no.
What's the mumo
500 be. And na me say near my chairman. What you say? Me send here no MTF up send near bring me back. He say I cannot send this amount to such a person.
Really?
Oh, why would I lie? I look at me tenacia, me can't rule. What you say? Yeah, also and I me de etuja. Oh, the American. Now, my friend went to us and sent a minua about. Oh, your regional minister, a friend is saying, spokesperson to or Paubian or Paubijai. Their Akosu is it Kwame Danso? Courty. And I make us say, Asante Mantemuha. A beer cosu, a war, ha. Share a crowby war or Boise Chichiweri, any dadjune. Afa Ababe 1 month in ye. Nipa a bema close to 300 to 400 people. You could find one and do this 2 a.m. ne 3 a.m. Eko go prison. Eko remand for 2 weeks. That the sad aspect in the say, Adia Mukoye no, and yes, that you for no. I am for it. Kadajuni be wo and a hope for no nip soldier for any confrontation. Then mistakenly, you be far obuase dadwen any titiwere for. Me feel say adia ye dia ye wo mo no omobu anyi so. Dia wo ye say news item ya wo dia ba say and na me twe ye minister adwen ene obi bia na adwen akoso say when they see say adia ye wo mo we say citizenry no and say so mo fa emrasha omo nsem sa so na mo ye de mra kan say ye de tumi ama mo say mo fa mra no mo ye ho ban no mo so mo fa mra no nhye mo nsem enkochi people illegally. Me say I've been to that town na ukọ the level of abufua ewo kro ni so no say minister pa na you wa ha on frɛ ana on ko krom ho no on ko pa member ni nyina acho for what they have been through.
So I think that you are a good friend to the production team. I don't like surprises. Think a story say you hint them. Then jinka o kan na say nyina no you the hands out of it.
I would never lie.
Very well.
Husein Ibrahim and amame makofa ba say minister enkopa sa krom fuo ni nyina acho. Because before I've been there myself.
Why are you not say a security agency in a corner? Why are you not calling on the security but the
now your security agent who is the chairman for
is the chairman for
in this region? Me Pierre Kwana me na Bogate and you know.
You do have an Bogate.
Me family number.
Okay, that is for Yandoh of the New Patriotic Party. My man Uncle Husein Ibrahim of the National Democratic Congress. Husein, that is saying
Aluta Tachamata Bujona Mojavidia Frusani, Namiatum Amadin of Hankasa. Edika Mechia or no Boma Basu for Jumadishun Kamo Yatoboa, Asante Mai, Neganina. Mechia Salam, Machia, Poliando, Mechia, Minia Bema, a year.
Medina Bono, na simple, Sana, Mede.
What's a poyando? Dingonka de
Bra Penny Salam, Meme any day. Me a poyando.
Memano Yako, in fact, now watching in the Nemame, or Mukusi, man, the cheap, Sabra. So I think you move into me, uncle, but the Empire Bonnet, be a minister, remember. Into the boss, the original minister, in fact, odi
but na call an moment
ba et me kokobo ma bibia e kama aluta empenifo ka se mbi se wuti so a ye to twede ofun
ububa
what I say ni ma poliando ahun say o ti honum say ban say me ne wo ko economic indicators matrices be bie no amefom da me no be kono head on untumi nka hwe ubisa no question back o so yibi on phone so yi achiro da bi afro no akasa kura ubisa no what how obi oto wo defending the political party or ka economy ho asem ka wanka economy ho asem anyame yawo or ka economy ho asem na momoni ma dey fe policy rate bibi aga policy rate
that would not be fair. One can say unim, but it was the figure. And of his figure. Yeah, we said that is different from the unim policy.
Policy rate, no. Let me say, Luther crab 18%. 18%. Why? It's no. I 23. Me
I will not sit down for anybody to insult my intelligence.
I'll come to you. Don't worry. No, I'll come to you.
Maybe I policy rate. Because I'm a 23. What's it? Swatch number 23. Because I'm a cat at 9. And I'll come
to you.
Person mama Poliando who say me you operation. That's how Kasa and from Kumobu. Tinya but operation. Be operation we are the be annoyed then what can. What's that him say I can't send me say and never board was he could do said then they be by meet you. I'm say, hey, Poliando, sa communication now.
23 no crab.
No, as some how the reduction is not relating to yes. My microphones into you are disturbing me.
Maybe they na minim de okafa.
Okay.
Me ba NDC e ba mu. Eniema e ka se be ye. E dia ma Ghana nyina titu Asante ma nyina no. Ya gusu a ye ne kakra.
Okay.
Aluta. Ya ka se e ba bibia ye frɛ no e-levy e betwam ye ntwamu. Ye twamu. Enne me no ka se mo manka wo sende de akwa koma chama wuntumi ntro a wote awudi. Momo yi ka ko yanka e-levy kianti
onyina so na sense wo ditro.
Semi mpredu asasika wo se wo sende ma chama wuntumi me dane ma no. Sika wo se wo sende ma chama wuntumi a ye mu bi de ye nim se enya no kore no. Ye mu bi ye nim se bi enya no kore no. Sasika no ka wo sende akianti e-levy bi ewu. COVID levy amode ba ye. Ye Mahama ba ye ye free honum. Ye chese ye ye free am Ghana fo nyina hu sampa. Ye shebo ye diso. Emission levy. And never be blow honum ye ba ye. Economy ni stable. And then me know to first Mr. Poliando ti we. O ka kire ne say onka economic metrics and as indicators krampo o ma ban no. Na ye better than ye de na. O betima tena have 5 years. O timi boba akokra nche.
He made a strong point. Yes, it is a fact sir. The cedi na gaining strength. Dollar no relatively stable. With that aside, policy rate above from inflation, we are in a single digit. But we are being asked to pay more by way of utility. So how is that reflecting?
Okay, by way of utility, no. Omo ankasa NPP for ankasa. IMF, IMF for koye hihye bi. Ofa ofun na obo Google. Obeti IMF condition. Utility tariffs. To be, I think, increased by 14%. Google never had it. And the NPP for time. Okay, na a friend is saying, okay, ko winima. Obeka chira say, yadi ya NPP a bino any IMF for call ye say quarterly biano yenye adjustment ewo mu. Enti menyame na meka ohwe document so page 74 of document no. I have the document here. I will share the document with you. No what can you say NPP aban mo na mo de ekoto sa di we mu. Enti menim say this about it if IMF mu a sa ade a yekoso yi.
But what you are saying is different from so far government communications and even the releaser ECG they buy. They cited the strength of the cedi as against the dollar.
Exactly.
And almost say 5 years be a major review. Yes, so it has nothing to do with IMF conditionality.
Also, no case year to 2. In fact, you buy this is not the first time utility tariffs are cost.
Yeah.
And only idea am person me set it.
Okay.
What I say, when you idea mo year 5 years and you mean 5 years, but the akukọ so ni nyina ye because of NPP for IMF for mo de call ye no ene na ma sa ohaw na beto Ghana for so in any other case nema o kase entity so minim maybe on no to nema free me ntra mbo supermarket anase bibia di wa hanya advert ma obia but I can assure you say see from a menu be wura ija ni akwakoto emo yato anwa yato abro bag unma abro bag mo time na 1600 cedis and there 1250 Ghana cedis and nema so nti ye no
okay
me try to say me call market me bia me kodwo me aduane oview me ndidi abonten so sa nti me tato nema abonten nti me nim say bi ono no be bi oto nema de ono nima me call market me wie ye no he price am ye yatete so ni
okay
price of goods and services goods the core market yatete so ni nti me sre Poliando so wo nim
Husein be dance ti ajefo aha Israel FM kukrantumi so ni na no pa me ne Husein of the NDC, Yandoh of the NPP, and Addo Salam of the CPP, and AD in common. Yeah, by issues and so. I don't know. And some names, I wouldn't want to restrict you, but maybe I person the before Biano. Abdul Salam, either Pandai run as I say electoral commission that's December 30 about to name the position of the opposition party and what the government also is saying lithium dealer and also no say the revised deal is being withdrawn and of course the tango surrounding the office of the special prosecutor. I don't know which of these but we are let
me share some free let me take you on with the special prosecutor issue.
Okay.
I think sir I was a manner a person running your mind. My biano. It's not for nothing say baby bear say and share a phone and sana a jet to near the edgema. So sure. Tell my penny Akufo Addo catch say person the independent prosecutor Eban. Oba power no ye marafa ho. Now you see problem I way na say send na dey case e be share say no yes na ye no. What Akufo Addo President Akufo Addo and then candidate Akufo Addo catch and say Oba be independent prosecutor. And the Juma by Ben say a dream dinner that you know Oba free I prosecute them for without any political influence behind. They know NTS say they go be bar on share party beer color and I want to be or yen Juma sana mra at the man someone. But from the beginning I established that office na na mistaken by. We shifted from independent prosecutor to special prosecutor. That's officer special prosecutor. And so it's a creative board man.
Okay.
Our board knows so because I board no you better pick up people from private and as a public officer or me independent minor people. But the board was formed by the government. And the indirectly now no crown is being controlled by a government. Because we be our board as Biano when the absolute control over the office. He has to be consulting the board as an NPP. If you also are the powers of knowledge protocol and also or uniform, it is still in the hands of a attorney general. And the way in an attorney general can walk into the court and say, I'm no
more interested.
Enjoy. The two me and Shana Manu there's a role also on play. You see the mandate on the corruption and corruption related issues. But what is the function of Yoko? It's the same thing. Also institutions be like Memphis say BNI Omoyebi or even public account committee Omoyebi to extend the guys say accountant auditor general Yebi Shirajo Bia Sajmana Omuya Yebi. And the only solely responsibility of that function. At any point in time they are stepping into Obi investigator Obi Nessa de Pacono has already been in another office. So one of the things I moved and all challenge was cooperation from other offices. Say a Jumana away or certain information sir one share that easily because we feel say Mao succeed easily. Yeah, we become irrelevant.
Yeah.
How can we be in the office? You're creative office, maybe you're in assistant for 10 years. Over a year, you are winning cases, you are prosecuting people easily. We should know that that thing is not going to happen. And I wasn't surprised as I will follow a year Martin Hamido can say. No office in establishing. In fact, tell my man staff, my man secondment staff. The panai Amabano, I'm going to share the age. I'm moving to be the Amama, I'm moving to be for 7 period of time. No, Massa Kobat. So according to my Tamidu, I'm office in an Amajin rather than say I'm more in the office. So from onset, I say, yeah, the dean and I am office, but we are not ready to work with the office. Because I went through an act, Office of Special Prosecutor Act 2017 Act 959. No shape post idea money. Very nice we a craft of a constitution. Parliament and approvals are no. Let's a shortcoming say, but what do we do? Do we say because or buy no when we need case beer and it does not meet our expectation to collapse I don't think that's the right thing. The first thing we should identify and say, they didn't want to mean the but I just say the establishment of board and the office itself, and yet send a catcher because now you thought say we are going to have our dear friend independent prosecutor. We were independent. This man is not independent man. And to the oil NPP and Obi will be a cancer fancy, yes, that is one. Two, officers in any ready to make cooperative team. Do you know the same man because or who's friends Anquano? People are not cooperating with him. I can't say away, until no, or you obey to me, numerous of a kind. It was he was communicating to us, say, the colleagues, and I said, other officers, are not helping him. And that is another one. Then it also means and say, Yenia as a society, because we are corrupt minded people. Obi be a visa way to us the support. So day in day out in ano, you treat the Serena Basai deliberately. Adibia can any failure in legal offices, you whom is said as a failure. Because final said I established office, from 2008 I'm gonna take you over till now, which is around me say by 8 years in the case of the courts, no feel 1 year. Never compare Abia office of Attorney General. Case of the court, no feel 1 year. Office of the Attorney General worse than his, but to be a office Attorney General because all the a president appointing you bet my son easily. We know was 7 years mandate, and so I want to be in Sano. And at any point in time, we are 5 holes, you loopholes, be a bonnet chair banners and free. That's how I see it. Me can be better, I will repeat, or be better at this moment. Officer, the best solution is say, Yampam, and I am close to that officer. No, you're corrupt minded person.
Really?
Yes. I got question from police. Who said they confirm person the police? And you see, I don't remember when you say we establish law.
How is the office gatekeeping corruption?
No, you see, his existence in Kwano is a deterrent for corrupt minded people.
Okay.
I'm telling you, say, confirm baby niggas the police. Whether wahuna na so huna, ni mood better. So, Sana offices laws are laws are made proactively. Say the existence of Kwano, Emma who feel say, Mammy Boni. So when I'm now doing say, me kumo bia, ye be kumia. And Kwa Emma will stop. The man got for some Ghana, police for and got a year for 1 week. Not sure if you can walk on the street freely. Ufuna Utobi and Comed you. But for the thing is, I'm maybe police will or Gia, but you don't Kwano Emma stop.
Okay.
So I think say the existence, DBA, about fighting corruption. And let's ask ourselves, institution being like I say, Parliament. Parliament of Ghana.
Yes.
Look, compare Parliament of Ghana, input at the Parliament of Ghana, and their output. Never compare that of officers.
Can we even say Parliament in totality? Because this is something an uncle under private member bill.
But then I'm always issuing in Parliament.
So more or less privately sponsored.
Whether it's private or not, so consciously Parliament and say imagine say you'll get it because I heard Kasai, the former Paul Kasai.
I have for two
and MP before Kasai to stand and speak of Parliament. Also say some because say Sky they are going now who for Sobia also. Okay, and he was sitting on his chair. And I make us say so Kasai about input at the ma a special prosecutor. On focus the input at the ma Parliament. Now output today.
Okay.
Because one of the institutions members say they feel as a Parliament. Look at the policies, any programs in the idea of passing Parliament. How many of them no man sure say are working efficiently? My more recent example, in Mahama's time, Sagalame building a cost I was compared 400 million. I got people what's a parliamentary issue about it. I'm
no, the person involved, he's been acquitted at the
in discharge. Blame the Parliament. Any Parliament approve. I don't know one. Any Parliament approve. What are they talking about? You see, when you fail, there's nothing wrong with that. But when others fail, who feels on the watch or call, and then can we close your Parliament? Because I can tell you one of the institutions about disappointing.
That's a very interesting twist. Now, maybe moving forward, the Benya time I had that angle too that you brought in. Paul, Maminti also, nimba be out there or they fan of it.
Maminti Niama Kakrabin free away home. Asana Makwa, with the Befa, a friend is Bandino, Mr. Now, share Yatina Hama NDC for. Dane Daniel na yetum futuro guyeni. IMF ni ekoye no. Minia Alita udi adanse se. Emfaso ba yo. What you say? The my buy and say, Mo siki say, Abrofuna we do a mokano, fire car and chain. What you say? Yenye bibi fire can because I sit to them otchere up to yena. What you say? Me can't they see 2022 Russia Ukraine war near the day. So we start for that. No, Moka say, na mu kra mu internally no. And here man say na mu tutuatua mu de no. Because this DDP and stuff like that. Hwe I am a fair call no. Eno na ama NDC for abaya. Omo ba omo tuaka bi. Ya twi ye kamu akwachire. I think it will start 2027 mebo and ya start see atwa. Ehye faso ni bi no no. And then ho hare no. Ema ni timi de $10 billion ekra e de she CD mu. Say enko for mebo a. And first one soon be in say your interest rate and never your loan so ya ji wa brofo ne ho no around 23 yetimi negotiate by 9%. And first one soon be in say Ghana ka $4.7 billion ya de chair. What you say? It is a wo be ka sansem we nyina ena o ma de o mukoye na am ye tutututu mu sa no a ura fi emfaso so a we derive from we no ti ma me tie ho ni fro enye obi na ye no obi IMF for na I dey still not here and ye disika ekoto aeroplane abra nipa kra omu extra de ye ntimi ntu omuka I dey not here an IMF for na esem nkoto aeroplane no announce ase nipa complaining say o hawa ba ahokira ba tete niema so ema ye osimi de me koto aeroplane we eyibi wom I was say ye can uba be blame mun say we justify ye nkotua na NPP for na ya to NPP for extra to was em koto plane ma me mfa ma asem no emfa e friend say pandai ahomte hwe wo mo a was so mo hye embrama ye because the essence of parliament is to make laws ema ye ma hwan ye nyina ebedi so oti ase nti mo hye emra mundi so na my yati ase so say asem wo court a menya lawyer asem wo court a yenka ho asem mpomebo a we have to make sure say we see the final determination of it. That is our karma ene ayiye kura no aba bedru ba bia yadui ene se beye na nipa bo se nipa mbo ejina senia niema na kwa aba bedu ti na menu ya kase asem a ayi a controversies wo ho de onko ba ya support odobro ni de beko what you say because we best solve a lot of problems. Dobro ni solve problems. Yeah. Chief Justice ye di as Chief Justice. But ya say ye di as a judge. Eti ma mene say ye media as Chief Justice. Processes are yes ye medi as judge no yan follow it has some court what they are bow the current Chief Justice he had the power to set up a panel yentie maame no eno na minority no yes and no asem wo court it think he suspended because of NDC omo numbers near their dinti no omo dia koso now the signal out there they say asem wo court to try it be bufaso. That is what they have told us. Now, Pandai, there were 152 can you say polling stations. Mebwa. Any atwaba. Ama nipano ayindamo se why no. NPP Matthew no. Wa winning with a margin of 3,724. Nipa na on the contesting here and say our problem with 41 out of 152. Inti me menya lawyer, menya judge. But any reasonable being bia no. Ebeka say oh any our contention wo 41 ne dia nke homom e na yen konkoto. Ote dia kana say we there bienim dia ba judge ni team and whatever. Was yen konkoto entire elections ni nyina. Yes, so the minimum crown is easy. Sometimes you come with registration, whether agent is there or not. They will do their registration. Mebwa. And who come also orientation, they will tell you parties, you know, you at least we are stakeholders. But without you do our work. And I sir, yeah, yes, sir, or my yes, I am a winner. Judge sit down. Now, Emrana sa my window. Say, Adebi ye can't tell, and I can be as a woman peninsula. You can do an appeal. And yes, sir. So, whilst I will appeal, you know, there's something within the law, a fellow stay of execution. Meboa. Me de menya lawyer to me tia no waka chem. Stay of execution ni na kire asam na earlier we na judge na kano appeal aba in between the hono yen suspending ne kakra ni yen twen appeal na ebeba no asa na ehu final ananya sa eti sa de no e wo ho se ya na se appeal ne mai na se speaker of parliament Emma Clark ko easy say you seat now a vacant panda seat now a vacant who say they have been fair to them to the person and
yes you timu fine tia mo nku
asma me county I'm talking about the law
on this as a state execution there should be a ruling on it.
Yes.
So what to rule you just file and to go to say 18 from best or me rule on it.
Yeah.
So mo rule there the speakers
and I'm say you be ruling and you rule you me say there nim common sensically president ewo ho with their chickens in there ana meboa me ni amome anya niema ne nya fe o enye se NDC a win overwhelmingly in na utna radio zugwa na yeka nkwata because we party alusu ohiri bi kura timi tna say no kasa yempani for your sankwas ya lusu ti antino chase ye nto wira mu o anasi abubo bodam bibi na ato ye na mo so bi beto mo o te de aka no eti me dia me nim ne say still for execution wo ho dia adenti ne ye ntwen masa de no emba na appeal no judgment ne ba ansa ne ya hyase.
This is here what the subo ebo ho.
Yes eti me de subo ebo parliament here omo ye emra ma me no mienu say ye ni so now we are all looking at you SC or CJ remover iso maame ne de koye wase mo hwe na moka ene mo adane. Number 2 ena aba panda ya ye nyina nim say 152 nipa no wo mu contest 41 enso judge say ye nkoto ni nyina why appeal stay of execution ba mo se muntie you go ahead and do sadie no me feel say it is never fair
and you hwe ne din a nsonso be na wo what is going on CCA with Matthew Yindam there no and then about the Pine Jachi question there.
Me say
you see any difference at that?
The difference woman say where the chief can say speaker of parliament no he is comfortable say Obeka say onye can say yen declare seat no vacant compared to Jachi question there na Oka say no and so we cannot declare his seat in vacant. Me dem me feel say mo ye twa muka mo nya hwio emra na mo hwehwe maye mo ko mo hwemra bezi se mri e da so hwemra na se mra no mo hwe na se mo amu ndi so ewo ye nyina ye ni so dia then what signal are you sending to ye wo form emma ne nya wo mo say sebe overwhelming you know mwanya ho no on betime atena ya ye wa cheni so we nipa over 100,000 eto aba emu ba akopa ne yi na betena ho o te de ya ka no ene ya adwi mu no ya ye ne se o represent ye nyina eti se nipa ba ko no represent ye nyina na se o take the petie from the ekoso me feel say it is never right. We should see them as honorable people omo ye honorable things ebetimi ase ni good way amaye na no nya me no nete ha e na wo ka kire me say news item be say members of parliament wo mo nko parliament because air condition nya adwuma meboa enkofo air condition nya adwuma mo nko parliament no omo timi approve say ye nkoto play mre Ghana mo ankasa mo daily eniema you need for your comfortability mo betimi dia ye adwuma no ade na mfanhye o but they are comfortable to sign and approve CNTO aeroplane. CNTO pad. Niankwanye nkoko. Abra one kasa wo face kra you don't have a conducive environment. As
a party, mwasi jina yese over contest come December 30.
Yeah, the parliament minority no mebo mabaso say omo man no kredi ededi. Now they are seeking say they have to go and withdraw the letter Omudiako EC no because asem no e court yen hwe na determine na emwa. I think Sandro Chisometi, a general secretary said we are determined to go. What I say and yebe so whatever being the case yebe call because omo pese omo ye na President John Mahama say yes nyami na catcher so for no say opese to so call term ni ade and so they want to take everybody out of the parliament now omo fanya dia omo beye which okay, Ghana you see a beacon of democracy no and say a tenase e ma sa de no esi. Okay, me that say but as far as the ruling nearby and there I never saw say na it was in tandem with the third term agenda. The ruling can be independent of itself then that third term agenda so we can also play the ostrich say that agenda is being pushed and also we cannot play that yes because Husein also bra. Husein mabinti onso.
That's be una kwanya dia mame. Number 1, me person me take. Na me call any of the substantive topics in the show. Or say NDC injected 10 billion.
Speak to the microphone for me.
Or say or say NDC they injected $10 billion. They are stabilizing city.
For we can Abraham here $4 billion.
Money.
Please.
Yeah.
Money. Oh, kasare no mayi.
Meso money.
Enti me du me so no nya na so makasa. Mama nka no kranchiro. Me meti anum say me finance expert. But me sua ade kakra. Osha Bank of Ghana, the Bank of Ghana yin na say if it be a year forex and as exchange rate. Say udi CD at the core Bank of Ghana. Na Bank of Ghana ma dollar. Uti Bank of Ghana ji dollar no the mawa. Now what the onum CD na wa gene de akwa koma gold board. Na gold board they are to gold they akwa monone akotong the dollars na e den asa bo mai ni mu. If it be intermediation also ewo eye finance mu de echi nyina no. It's Bank of Ghana and Tam Sika say
Unima de na
oh right that's right also Ojama account and Timono son Canada time account policy rate in 17 I came into correct one to him policy rate so you will not be fair on him so because on him monoso and to but Husein this is a trite knowledge. I'm quoting from Joy FM line. This is a story dated 9th December 2025, published 11:23 a.m. Was it BOG pumps $10 billion into forest market to aid city stability? It is here.
In fact, what a government spokesperson is also. You're a fellow Sufusukache.
Oh, why not?
What be churchimu? The all can be na me the make no. And the Bank of Ghana a year forex na. No one or the city na wajeno. E dey akwa koma gold board. That gold board they are to go they akwa monone. Akwa akotong the dollars now back Bank of Ghana ho. And see, I think say anyway say any boy but you see headlines there many NDC but sanity
the Bank of Ghana BOG but remember the Bank of Ghana BOG has injected about $10 billion into the forest market since January 2025 to help stabilize the city. This is the total amount it has sold to commercial banks and businesses to meet their dollar needs. A move that has significantly supported the stability of the currency. So it is out of a concerted effort to make sure that we stabilize the city. It is not a wrong move to make.
But no,
yes, it is not a wrong move to make.
Massa. What fellows want to understand is say what bank am I doing there like an intermediary?
Yes, intermediary.
Yeah, just can for second brand. I mean for money. That's but in reality. That's the money is being pumped.
Yes.
They are being pumped.
Yes. It's a gold board when I'm here.
No gold board. It's a process.
Masa, Kasama region. Kasama no never.
Information free. Check it 3rd July 2025 NDC buy it you have 349 million $349 million Eurobond Busiana at the whole. It is okay to buy into a Biadiana, some now can you rather say, Yetua. In fact, generally create tuabi, and yes, tuabi, you meet obligations. Until Ocasi into Acadia Biana, will name say Yetuakana or Captain once. In fact, your top play now, yet and there, say it me a play now, a beb Wagana. No, make sure you enter. I will have some more time. You are for 8 months pay. Presidential or rented jetta, a cost of Ghana 62 million cities. This can 620 billion. You are for 900 or 20 saying. And you're a little bit over 37 million. Now yet me in Cairo for the sick or the rent or the name 8 months penal. In Kaka said the told jet maybe the amount of my it's Miss Row. More than mobile rent and I must say can buy. I see a Toby. Now in any other case, Mahama crowd jet out to the just on a bit to it's your tired. Because make sure idea no or told the amount of mine ever bore mine because listen. Akufo Addo esa ba Akufo Addo meba Akufo Addo su bi e wo NPP mo sa ba biwo a onya na adwo so current private jet bia bi we see Mahama secure e bi de to ho de ma omo because your starting process now it will take about 3-4 years before sana jet na be do Ghana hanim say Akufo de otoye no Akufo kra wantran bi sana tienti ye nyina ye nya den ye nkambom ne mbo ma man nya den enkoso pardon de minim say ye ma me no mo remote areas o mutie wo wouldn't be a friend of menstrual poverty. What had him say, who cast us way? Would me just a top part the mamma. Me mammy, a walk, Kotokumachi baby. Sikako the better part of Cramponet day. Menstrual poverty, maybe menstrual poverty, and why a ding. A man, they are Muko school. Make a what a first what health organization report to me. No, papa. Ghana mom won't crasia. A do some woman so with me. In fact, NPP money be crack champion of parliament say, Yen try and from one man, a yam mamma no more school. NPP the almost say, ye per se a Jim Crown Muja. Near the Yabon, make a hero Sammy, Coco Cass, asking him, and maybe a Kermu. And to NPP need to have him say, no defend. They say, pardon, soon for swa. Mamma, me say, I have friends say, Kotokumachi, or Tenyan Sochi, I have friends or Tessable Switchy, or Tia Poliando. Paul, Mummy and Junior, my minimum kakra, into Miss Row, and someone now walk out all Kennedy. A new cancer walkers as a engineer, my minimum. Now, I see a Dr. Frank. Oh, yeah, and Coco, you see. In fact, mostly I am a fat, my phone, now me call a TikTok. Let me who sign name and be a kind comment. No, me and I mean, you kind comment. No, what kind comment we are? Utimuze, as some more kind, and go for a braid in at him. Oh, comment section as it. Into me, say, as say, crown on your day. On the because Okayano, and a question be so Kutupama, no so say, on the crack and Kokoyali a year later. In 10 people communication, they are quite just communication on Muya, where the boy do not with their boy, and we did them. How many structured way or modified communicating Emma and conformity. Until Dr. Frank Makwina Oye and Kokon Kitaka, Mitati Mu, didn't they be a bullshit from Abason say. We invite Boris B. Manaba. Obey our Cassan, Mitia Papa could see your MPP new. This is Poliando, Minia Poliando out to way. Boris B. MPP ni. In fact, Obetana Cassia Mahama initiative no initiative as soon as my Ghana. In fact, what the move far a year structures our firm. I know otchere. I bet my first I am flying cranny, a bit processing coconuts and manina. And I'm saying, Shrifem, Maduma Santima, Duma my Ghana. Because I can't win in animo. But now I would see a big cram in your shows and Kaudi, they be uncle Kitano, would the bay a you be to Mr. No man find your day. Me patch of me, they may be palmy, me and be dada. Me and be dada, me and Kukoni be dada, Mugus as I use. I want to say, that's the Asu PBI. Only for so Kweku Annan. Et tout ya so Kweku Annan. Obi yen Kweku Annan say kan wasem ti e jama tie for na kasa. On the issue of pandaya o kan wasem me pandaya no me ka bebre. On say si yi kwan na san ka odan a. O say the nipa no yi nani eden ejene. Me boa. Good. Representative sal for enya. Who say Poliando Control TV so ka say electoral commissioner e enya me ekoso no. Mumbo na sal for nya representative. What be bizarre? NPP ni ben out so being no fighting for the good people of South. So munya representative.
Can two wrongs make a right?
No, but say we say we na make no. Me patch say we are say dear nipa opposition and we here the time the aluta assembly and then aluta ka a what aluta make a aluta ka b ade am the power assembly no wona na janto no crew me pem assembly was ade no enti say Poliando consistency de we here that time no hu ni say na enye eye by the o ka say enye de am na wonya adwen by that time no ye hu say enye ena ende de na e baaye no ye hu say de mo ye no so enye den enye ena in any other case me the court and some there on say me nya lawyer ni utirima bob bill ba no eye court and some me
fancy I am not a lawyer.
No me just say utirima bob bill
yes I am not a lawyer
no me nya ka ma say we
obi o lawyer ni na ya calling to them I'm not a lawyer.
Utirima bob bill utirima bob bill
what the assembly show Aluta
please allow me to finish Aluta you be and the term about bill e ba no say mra chechiri mu because on osua de otie a lawyers for osua o kan ruling be ruling be about kan nti wona ne kasa obeto question kra ma okro yembe so ahwe obeka so lawyer ni ne so onye lawyer ni so what the make na say nti me to expand idea we are ready and me na Polando minim se ho so obeko ho dia me ni mi beko akohia ho nti akohia ho do mfa sekpere na yi e de sekpere be hia no ho
but in all honesty do you think sir what's going on fair
dey ntina fair eyi na o mo de call ye say o mo de afa achira call no say ruling ni be call on the 18th what you say ruling ni be ba so nya dia ruling ni ma so ne akoye elections no
okay
and na o hwe process de ekoe mu nyina boss
abana na ebeto
me say abana na ebeto na dey easy obi a ono no oman na man to me say ono na hwe abato no niam so e de krata aba abontin say yenko ugina court da ho ya bubu America nko police station starting kwa campaign you see omu the campaign message ti do mbe ye ani by this when him say me last week na me wo Pandai last week me na mo Pandai me ne a friend is saying me bosses me ensa bi you go share ground for no me free ho no man na me ka say no about to die NPP for afena ma hu die NPP for e den esu no because omo ankasa hu say go ground for no man emboa omo NDC in any other case NDC nke di we kan ye dia to so be 5 up and die ho no NPP 2 we be kan wa mama ye dem because
96 na NDC 2000 NDC 2004 NDC 2008 NDC 2012 na NPP 2016 NPP and 2020 kwa na NDC Daniel Nsala
so at 75 we at 75 now we say na wodi undi do bebre but me share vote margins in fact na me tie Ira Musa Dan Kwanso so elections no ka bibi say e be close because who ni say we no so popular kakra
because menya time cry where the presidential votes nearby it was also that close.
Yes,
John Mahama had 25,000 Bawumia had 25,000 the difference in a little of 300 400
yes enti we dey utrimu fire now person to trust me
Jam Wanku okay but other na mo a disconnect between parliament and the presidency. Why are you withdrawing the lithium deal?
Oh that be on say Ghana
I know be
public opinion sa ban so the bibi ba na say we ya na Ghana for e ka so omumpe na we are ban we listening government e wo say utie the Ghana for e ka no but aban bi ba ye Ghana for so mumpe yi levy me na Poliando betra ka say mumpe kra na the levy ni ba ampom the levy ni ba ye
okay me that say
difference no
eno
Ghana for kan ni etie ye ntina Ghana for ni age no
Engineer say one kasa you cannot decide on your own.
No,
because one one lithium what the revised version the coy. Once Ghana for I can see more withdraw. The office of the special prosecutor so sponsored through a private member bill. They say President Abeka some more withdraw. So what is that kind of I double standard?
And I can double standard. The Ghana for Beka and I'm people are coping. In fact, institutions no do so. Governance na you know so governance no. Your institutions be brave and I yen na kasa to me for you. And then me no to ya luta de ba come de pe 170 so na janto a. Mo tra na mo nya ka sempe.
Okay.
Thanks for watching. Like and share the video. You can also drop your comment. Please don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to turn on the notification.